Hello and welcome to What's Next. This is the Ego multi-tool and be using the link battery pack, so I've never had a need for a pole saw. But I thought for doing any sawing, I'm unable to lean, or I should say I can't bend at the waist due to the lumbar damage. So anything I do is either upright or I have to get on my knees. So this guy is really helpful for cutting logs, so I was going to take a quick video and then maybe we'll disassemble. I remember seeing on the Ego forums, people were worried that this was a plastic gear. It is not. It's steel. I did check it. I've tried to get her to bounce off, similar to what I saw on the DeWalt. The adjustment's real easy. And I made the mistake of when I had the tool assembled, sitting it on this, so it will leak out a little bit. So I did catch it before it made a mess. But it's got tons of power, and I'll do a quick video. I'm going to go down and cut those trees so I don't have to lean at all. I can just cut them and then roll them a little bit and keep cutting, so it makes it nice. I don't have to get down on my knees at all to chainsaw. It seems powerful enough you could actually run a little bit longer saw blade, I would think. I'd have to try it. Maybe up the teeth on the chain so it wasn't biting as much. But the way it feels, you could easily get away with that. Do a long distance cut. The tree's totally toast. Alright, it's a little ways out there. And it's pretty big. necessarily how you'd want to do it. Let's take a look at the battery. It was fully charged, 7.5. It was a whole lot of song. Got only 2/3 left, which is still impressive. Only one side of the multi-tool even feels warm. Doesn't smell funny or anything.